Hey there, game developers. Today, I want to talk about something a little bit different. Today, I want to talk about creating things. If you are interested in making games or creating videos, then I recommend watching this one to the end. Last September, I decided to start making short videos every weekday to provide a game developer's perspective on current events in the game industry. I am primarily making these videos for my students. I teach game design and game programming at the University of Advancing Technology in Arizona. My videos got a bit more sporadic around the end of last year, but I am getting back into the swing of things right now. A couple of days ago, I had 55 subscribers. Then I made that Bloodlines 2 video, and holy crap! At the time of filming this video, I have over 80 subscribers. This is a huge leap for a channel as small as mine, and I also want to give a shout out to everyone on the Bloodlines 2 Discord and the World of Darkness Discord. It's been heartwarming to see so many people sharing and enjoying something I created. It's a wonderful feeling to see and hear people enjoying a thing you created, whether that thing is a game, painting, a video, a song, or even a story you wrote. Creating things is really hard work, but it's work I love doing, and I love the end result. This isn't anywhere near my first video, though. This is actually the 40th video I filmed, edited, and uploaded to this channel. My first video was garbage. The thumbnail was bad, the audio was bad, the lighting was bad, the editing was bad, and I had to sit in front of this camera and talk about stuff for the first time. I had to start from 0 subscribers, and it's taken me 40 videos to get this far. And honestly, the first video game I ever made was pretty awful too. To be fair to past me, I was 14 years old, and I had just barely learned enough of the Pascal programming language to make a very simple game. It was like rock, paper, scissors, but it had swords, and also it was really badly imbalanced because 14-year-old me thought he was clever and added a couple extra options into the mix, and I accidentally added a dominant strategy. Your first game is probably going to be the worst game you ever create. The first video is probably going to be the worst video you ever film. You are not going to create the next big hit anything on your first try, but you need to start creating now if you eventually do want to create something great. Stop putting it off until later. Start now and don't stop after your first game or your first video. You'd be surprised how many indie developers on Steam only released one game and then they gave up when it didn't make them the millions of dollars they expected. If you make a new video every weekday, that's about 260 videos in a year. If you make a game every week, that's about 52 games in a year. That is a ton of experience. I got started making games in my early teens, and I worked on my first online game team before I graduated high school. I had a huge head start when it comes to making games. You're going to run into people like me when it comes to whatever you're trying to create. People who have been writing or making videos for far longer than you. Don't compare yourself to them. Just focus on improving yourself and comparing yourself to past you. It's never too late to get started. I didn't start making these videos until my 30s. If you're interested in getting started with game development, I am running some game jams this week. It's mostly my students that are participating, but it's open to the public. The jammers are making a game every day this week. Check the links in the video description if you'd like to join us in making games this week, and I hope to see you all back here tomorrow.